My name is Kate Wertheimer. I am content and art director for Aspen Snowmass, and we are here today setting up for the World Cup drone show. Aspen Skiing Company is 77 years old, and we've hosted countless World Cups here. It's a really big part of our heritage, and we're just so excited to be working with Nova Sky Stories to tell the awesome story of the history of ski racing here on Aspen Mountain.
Welcome to Aspen, a ski town, a race town, a place brought to life by miners, mountaineers, soldiers, and visionaries. Thousands of racers have laid their edges into the dreams these slopes promise. Grit, glory, and the hope of chiseling their name onto the list of legends. A history impossible without the commitment of this community, from staff and volunteers to spectators, and, of course, the athletes. Aspen has always been and will always be a ski town, a race town.
Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Aspen Snowmass. Thank you to Nova Sky Stories. We are super psyched to be doing this new kind of storytelling here, and we hope to be doing it again sometime soon.